Welcome to today's video on BIM and Cloud Integration, a dynamic synergy that's transforming the way we approach construction and design. Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Tesh, and in this video, we are going to delve into the exciting world of building information modeling, BIM, and how its integration with the cloud is revolutionizing the construction industry. What is BIM and why does it matter? Let's start by understanding what building information modeling, or BIM, is all about. BIM is a collaborative process that involves creating and managing digital representations of physical and functional characteristics of a building. BIM brings all stakeholders, architects, engineers, contractors, onto the same virtual platform. This shared environment enhances collaboration, minimizes errors, and improves overall project efficiency. The power of cloud integration. Now, imagine taking this BIM process and elevating it further by integrating it with the cloud. The cloud allows us to store, access, and manage our BIM models and data remotely. Cloud integration facilitates real-time collaboration, making project information accessible to team members no matter where they are in the world. This transcends geographical barriers and time zones. Benefits of BIM and cloud integration. The benefits of integrating BIM with the cloud are immense. Real-time updates ensure that everyone is on the same page with the latest project developments. Version control minimizes confusion by tracking changes and iterations. Data security is a top priority. Cloud platforms employ advanced encryption and authentication methods to keep your project information safe. Plus, the cloud scalability means you can handle larger projects and data volumes with ease. Real-world examples. Let's take a look at some real-world examples of BIM and cloud integration in action. From skyscrapers to stadiums, construction teams are using BIM and cloud integration to streamline their operations. They can access critical project information right on their mobile devices, improving decision-making and project coordination. Implementing BIM and cloud integration. Now, let's discuss how you can implement BIM and cloud integration for your projects. Choose a reliable BIM software that offers cloud compatibility. This ensures seamless data synchronization between your local environment and the cloud. Remember to train your team on the new tools and processes. Regularly update your cloud-based models and collaborate effectively to harness the full potential of BIM and cloud integration. In conclusion, the marriage of building information modeling and cloud integration is reshaping the construction landscape. It's fostering collaboration, enhancing efficiency, and paving the way for smarter, more sustainable designs. As technology continues to evolve, so too will the possibilities of BIM and cloud integration. Embrace this transformative trend and stay ahead in the world of construction innovation. Thank you for joining me in today's exploration of BIM and cloud integration. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, keep building the future.